Look at that.
Wow. Doing it well, Isiko. Wow.
Oh no!
Help me! Help!
It's okay. It's okay.
That's a really happy.
Bad memory. Quick! Jump on Sissy! She's awake! Quick!
Ginising ng,
Where's the snake?
ng ni Daddy Scott niya yung
Get the nin Noah!
kapi-kapi. So, wala kaming maayos na breakfast talaga. So, yung toast, kung ano lang yung makita namin. Ang puti ng mukha ko. Then, ko yung mga what did you do? Oh no! Sissy bite! Sissy bite with what's that one?
What?
Sissy, you need to have your reaction, Sissy. You don't have reaction.
Mommy tune. Nom 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 nom.
Oh no! Oh my God!
Is it no tune?
No tune.
No.
No reaction.
No tune.
No tune. Kayo pa. Hoy, ang sip-on, B? Sip-on? Very,
No, I'm waiting.
Oh. Easy turn.
No tune.
Nandun na, nag-away na. So, kahapon, nakapunta ako sa Beast Unless, and this is what I got. Nakabili ako. Ito yun siya, mga damit ni baby girl. So, mura lang siya. That's why sale lang siya. Tingnan nyo mga moms. Ang cute. Sabi ni Habi. So, ito $2. $3. Ang ganun. Then, meron pa. Ito naman, $5. Ang cute. Basta, Diyos mo. Anak ko na. And then, ito pa. Pink, of course. Meron pa. Super, I love the material, guys. Super love it. And then I bought a socks. I've already bought socks. I think this is 3, maybe 10. So meron pa ako nito. And then this one. Oh my goodness, so cutie. And then white. So, this one naman is 0 to 3 months old. Ito yung mga binili ko, 0 to 3 months old. So cute. My God, I can't control myself. Ito naman ay kay Isikel. Binili ko lang siya kasi mura lang siya. $3. So, yan yung nabili natin kahapon. So, gawa kami ng pizza, pero to binili ko na lang to eh. Yan siya. Mini pizza bis. Yan. So, 6. Pang-snack namin at sa mga bata. Hindi ko alam kung gusto nila. Pero si Ezekiel kumakain ng pizza naman sa sa childcare. Kumakain siya. So, ito yung aking sauce. Pero kasi si Ezekiel ay kumakain ng tomato sauce. Tomato sauce na na sauce. Kaya ito yung sa kanya. And then, meron ako ditong ham, and then cheese, and then, niluto ko na lang yung bacon kasi hindi ako sure kung gaano katagal. Kasi first time ko itong gawin. So, gaano katagal ba yung ito. So, yan. Kasi manipis lang siya eh. It's your pizza. Oh, you're in the camera.
What is this?
It's your pizza. Cheers. Cheers, Jessica. No? Cheers, Noah. Pizza, Noah. Cheers.
What is that?
Cheers, Noah.
What is
Pizza.
that?
Oh, TV is off. Oh, wow.
Oh no! Help me! Help!
Ang daming drama.
No, no.
I wonder why.
Look at that.
Wow. Doing it well, easy cow.
Here you go, Noah. This one.
Wow.
Oh no!
Help me! Help!
It's okay. It's okay.
That's a really happy. Hap.
Noah's laughing.
Goodness. Put more, easy. Put more so that you can put the color.
You do it like this.
Why do this? Why do this? The pillow towel.
Look, Noah. Look what Sissy's doing. Look. Yeah, Sissy will do that. Here you go.
Oh my goodness, look! There's color! Yellow!
Yellow.
Come on, easy. No, he wants another one for him.
You want the brown one?
Put the brown.
Red. Red.
Oh, that's a lot.
Red.
Red, yeah, I know. It's color red. Wow! You had fun today.
Purple.
Purple. Sissy make her own stuff.
Purple.
Huh?
This is brown.
Easy, make
Brown.
You want purple?
Brown.
brown. Okay, brown. No.
What's this? I get water.
Yeah, wash the brush in the water. Wash the brush in the water.
This is gonna...
Kaya ninano ni Ate Glenette yung dalawang maliliit kasi si Dudong Scott ay mayroong ginawa dito sa labas. Tingnan nyo, update ko kayo mga moms. So ito na yung sa labas. So sorry, madumi yung aming window. So yan. So anuhin niya yan, yung ipatag, yun, i-flat niya para taniman namin ng grass para pagka ma-okay na yung grass ay lagyan na namin siya ng fence. So yan, grass daw muna bago yung fence. So hopefully magstay yung mga bata doon. Kasi nga para matapos siya ni Dudong Scott ngayon. Kasi kung nandyan sila, naku, ay alam ko na. O nandito na lumabas. What happened? What's wrong? Kita niya si Daddy Scott niya. What's wrong? What are you gonna do? Oh my goodness. You're not going there. Oh my goodness.
Ano?
Oh no. You careful, you two. Help Daddy. You help Daddy, guys. Easy, you hit. Oh no.
No, they're gone now. They're in the bin.
Oh no, in the bin. Noah, careful.
Daddy?
Huh? Yes?
I'm gonna do that one, Daddy. You do that.
Lynette!
The idea is,
Huh?
see the bits that I'm digging up?
Yeah?
So the dirt's loose, you can pick it up and put it in the corners and stuff.
No, what I mean is, why you can't put the fins first before you put the
What's the big deal about the fucking fence?
because so that the boys can come in here and play.
Yeah, but we need to get a machine in here to get people to
We need to.
Yeah, we
This
do.
is us enough.
Love. Russ. Mark, how again? You top.
Give me that one, B. I can do that one. This one is very heavy. It's hard. Why? You didn't just shoes.
You're going to step on this.
This one is enough.
Alright, put shoes on.
I need to put shoes on. Sorry.
This, pushing on this will hurt your feet.
Huh?
See these bits?